Ay nako, walang katapusang pag-e-edit. Ganito ba talaga boy vlogger? Ay, Diyos ko, walang katapusang pending. Lagi na lang puyat. Makakajowa pa kaya ako nito? Paulit-ulit na lang ganito ang buhay ko. Ay nako, pagbubukas ko na nga lang to. Ay, saan sa PH? Sino kaya to? Ay, ang ganda ng feed nila. Uy, ganda dito ah. Splash Mountain Resort. Uy, saan ba to? Uy, meron sa Los Baños. Ah, malaki naman ito. 5 hectares of property with 120 plus rooms, 20 plus pools, food outlets, 3, and 3 hotels. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Uy, ang gaganda ng slides. Grabe. Nakaka-excite naman, parang gusto ko mag-swimming dyan. Teka, kakayanin ba ako ng slides? Baka maglabato sa akin, magbayad pa ako. Uy, may spa, may gym, at may function room sila at team building area. Ang galing. Sakto, summer pa naman. Daling ko lahat ng friends ko dito. Mukhang masaya oh. Tapos, ang gaganda ng mga kwarto oh. Uy, ang gaganda naman ng kwarto dyan. Wow. Oh my gosh, I wanna be there. Teka nga, hanggang panaginip na lang to. Malamang wala akong time sa vacation. Ay, makatulog na nga. Okay guys, we are now at the pool. We're gonna check out the room. So what's good and splash? Oh, at saka na pala. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are now in Laguna for Splash Mountain Resort. And right now, here at Splash Suites. At talagang, guys, you should see what's in here kasi ang gaganda ng rooms. Kaya if you wanna see that, please watch until the end. We're heading to our room. Diba lakas maka-shades? Gusto mo yan? Minsan lang yan. What's up? Welcome to my room! Okay, dito, pasok. Okay, what's good about this room is that you can bring your family, your friends, name it, your boyfriends if you want. Because you have 5 rooms, 5 beds in total. Like, look at that, diba? Mga single beds. Okay lang yung maliit na kama, basta kasya ka, go na yon. And you know what's good about this room is that kahit malaki yung room, malakas ang aircon. We have a TV right here with cable, my dear. And what a view, honey. Look at the view right here. Pwede kang umaura-aura outside, magkabagong gising ka, have your coffee, have your tea, and the view. Oh my gosh. Maganda dito kasi pag may guwapo, nasisilayan mo agad. Gusto mo yun. Look at, by the way, may minibar, may chiller. Ayan, sa ngayon, wala pa po naman. Pero you have classes, all the things that you need, just call them, and then ibibigay nila sa yon. And then, going back, here's the banyo. Diba, it's very big. Diba, hati-hati na lang kayo dyan. You have all the things you need. You have the soap, the shampoo, and everything. And this is the shower. Malaki-laki siya. Kasha ako, girl. So, kung kasha ko, kasha kayo, girl. Ganon. Ayan, meron tayong pa. Hello, telephone. So, I need more, like, food for breakfast. Ganon. So, just call them. Ayan sila. May mga directory and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much my room. By the way, may cabinet there. Yeah, and vanity area for your makeup. Guys, sir, sobrang ganda room, sir. Look at the view, though. Tapos may pa-show dito sa restroom. Gusto mo yun? Yes! Yes! Aura effect! Aura effect! Inside, there's a cafe. Pag gusto nyo mag-breakfast, hindi pwede bag, naka-check-in ka. So come on, join me. Ang dami dito sa loob. Come on, come on. Ayan, gusto niya ang ganda ng pa-set up mga best. So if you're hungry and you are checked in, this is Carla.
Hello!
You may enjoy all of these.
Nag-enjoy na.
Yes! My gosh, garlic rice. What's breakfast without garlic rice? OMG, adobo. Adobo? Oh my gosh, Jen is getting bangus. Bangus is life. Of course, eggs in the morning. Early morning, she wakes up. Ganon. On the door. Okay, Donald Splash Weeks, now we're in Oasis. Tara, let's come in. Oh my gosh, I super love the rooms here. Don't you just love the room?
Yeah.
Diba? At ang ganda ng view. Look at that. Full view. Masarap mag-work dito. Ayan o.
Work?
Yeah! Like work area, work desk, gano'n. And look, may pa ano sa likod. May pa, what do you call this? Aquarium! So ayan. Oh. Higa-higa. Oh, this room is actually just 4,000 pesos. Bring your jowa, it's 2,000 each. At kung wala kang draw, umawro ka sa labas. Andiyan naman sila, baka bali i-sponsor ka nila ng room! Okay, let me show you the rooms of Oasis. Tara, tara, let's go! Oh my gosh, pagpasok mo, ang lamig, diba? And look at the room. It's so spacious. Kasyang-kasyang malalaki kang tulad ko. And it's for 4. Pero para sa akin, it's for 2 lang, diba? And then may vanity area. Yan, and then you see the TV right there. Don't worry, may cable po yan. And ito po yung mga amenities and everything. And this is the banyo. Or whatever. Yan, so may sink, of course. The shower. Yan, so perfect talaga. You know, this room is just 4,000 pesos for the 4 of you. So if you complete it, it's just 1,000 each. So come on, get a room na. Now na!
Pero pag si Jam 2,000 siya.
Okay, sobrang init, so always stay hydrated at may service ng water. Ganon, water. It's not water, it's water.
Please spell.
Can you say water? Say water. I can hear you. Very good. OMG. Only beach hut touches my skin. Who touches yours? Kailangan mag-sunblock, lalo na grabe ang panahon ngayon. Talagang masisira ang skin mo, lalo your face. So, you know, hindi pwedeng ganda lang. Kailangan protected ang ganda, di ba? Okay, so one of the hotel here is Splash Hotel, and here are the rooms. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, come with me. Tara, let's go. I'll show ya. I'll show ya. So this room here in Splash Hotel is just 2,500. Look at this. Sobrang ganda. And there's like a jacuzzi there. At may umaaura.
Pwede naman ako.
Yes! Di ba? Bongga na? Okay guys, we are now at the pool area. As you can see, ayun yung pinakamahaba, pinakamalaking slide. Unfortunately, hindi niya ako kaya at hindi kita try. Yun, so we're about to have lunch and look at our lunch, girl. Oh, may pabudol guys. Kaya nyo ba to? Kaya nyo ba to? Kaya nyo yan, yan, yan. What a feast guys. And what a view. Ganda diba?
Masaya lagyan ng alcohol.
Masarap yung kare-kare.
Kain na tayo.
Kain ta, kaon ta.
Oh my gosh, bagnet. Yung kamatis at itlog na maalat. Gusto maalat na itlog.
Naban ako yung gabi kasi.
Kare-kare bet.
Or the exotic shit. Sobrang sarap. Yan, pinamagaling magaling.
Carla, anong pakiramdam?
Masaya, puro tubig sa mukha.
Ba't ako may ganito? Splash Mountain Resort. Akala ko ba palagyan lang mo? Nang galing ba ako doon? Ang weird. Ano pa nga bang gagawin ko? Eh may ticket na ako. Hi guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification para updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko in the future. So that's it for me for today and I'll see you guys on the next Chams session only at Chams Vlogs. Bye!